Hello everyone, my name is Michael Yap. I work as a peer advisor at the Engineering Student Success Center. Today I'm going to show you how to use a schedule planner, which is a great tool that will help you manage your time when building your schedule for the next semester. And without further ado, let's begin. The first step is to go to your single sign-on at csulb.okta.com and log in using your student ID number and the password that you set. Next, click on the yellow chiclet that says My CSULB. It might take some time to load, so please be patient. This is the Student Center. This is where you'll be able to manage a lot of your school-related needs, such as financial aid, grades, transcripts, and so on. Do take note, though, that due to FERPA, only you and those that you permit have access to this page. There's lots of tools here, but for now, we'll only be looking at the schedule planner. On the left side, under the academic section, go ahead and click Enroll. From there, select the semester that you wish to enroll into. This time, we'll select Fall 2020. Hit Continue and go to the next page. There's lots of buttons here, but just select Schedule Planner. On this page, click Open Schedule Planner. It may or may not ask you to open the pop-up. If it does, please allow it. This is the Schedule Planner. I've already enrolled into all my classes, so they're showing up under the Current Schedule tab, but yours should be empty. Go ahead and click Add Course to get started. Here there are 4 ways to add a new class. The first and simplest way is to choose a subject, like math or physics, and a course. For example, if you're looking for Mathematics 122, you would select Mathematics as a subject and 122 as a course. The next way is by using the Degree Planner tab. I wouldn't recommend using this until you've spoken to an advisor and made sure that your degree planner is correct. If you have an instructor in mind, you can select classes by instructor. Keep in mind though that professors don't always teach the same classes. If you're looking for a specific GE that you need, then this tab is what you'll use. For example, if you need a Fine Arts GE, you can go to Attribute and select Fine Arts, and select a class from this list. Do keep in mind though that the course number needs to be under 300 in order to count as a lower division GE. Once you've added all your classes, go ahead and click Back. On the right side, you can click on Breaks. This is a helpful tool that will allow you to create breaks within your schedule. That way, if you want to save a specific time frame for something outside of class, then you can prevent classes from popping up in that time frame when you generate new schedules. For example, if I want to have a lunch break, I'll give it a title, select the start and end times, and the days. Once I'm done, I save it and go back. Now before you generate your schedules, please select the Options button next to each class and uncheck the classes that are for specific cohorts. There are several cohorts such as Excel, BEST, Honors, and EOP that have classes that are unique to them. Unfortunately, Schedule Planner doesn't automatically exclude these classes for you. Click the blue I button on each option, look at the Notes section, and uncheck the ones that are for cohorts you are not in. It's a little tedious, but in the end, it's worth it. Make sure you click the Save and Close button when you're done. Once you're done doing that to every class, you can finally generate your schedule. When you first click the button, you'll generate over 1,000 schedules. But don't worry, we can shrink that number down using locks. If you hover over the magnifying glass, you can kind of get a look at the shape of the schedule. My strategy is to just randomly pick one and look at the times for each class. I then lock 1 or 2 classes in place if I want to have them at that time. If you scroll back up, you'll see that this narrows them down pretty fast. Go back, generate the schedules again, and repeat the process until you have a schedule that you like. Once you have a schedule that you like, go ahead and click Validate to make sure that the schedule is actually valid. This is where the whole unchecking of cohort classes actually comes in. If you accidentally tried to enroll for a class you're not allowed in, then this is where it will tell you. Since I've already enrolled in all my classes, it's telling me that these classes will conflict with my current schedule. If you don't run into any issues here, then you're good to go, in which case, click Send to Shopping Cart, go to the other tab, and click Import Cart. Make sure that all of these classes are open, and keep clicking Next. Once they're in your shopping cart, check all of the little boxes on the left of each class, click Enroll, and finish enrolling. Once that's done, you have enrolled in all of your classes. In the case that you change your mind, click Swap at the top of the page to change classes. Select the class you want to swap at the first drop-down bar. From there are 3 ways to select the class you want to swap it into. Class search from your shopping cart or by class number. If you want to drop a class, then click the drop button at the top. Select the class you want to drop, and then click drop selected classes. Once you're all done, you can click My Class Schedule and click Weekly Calendar View to see what your final schedule looks like. If you have any questions, feel free to send an email to coe-advising@csulv.edu. Congratulations on your new schedule and welcome to Cal State Long Beach.